Hey guys, so welcome back. This is how to fix squeaky car door window. So first is find the source by rolling the window up and down and listen for squeaks near the rubber seals, glass guides, or inside the door panel. And after that, of course, you could use a damp cloth or compressed air to clear dust and debris from the rubber channels. So dirt buildup often causes friction and noise. Now, another one is apply a silicone spray or rubber conditioner along the window sills and guides, and avoid oil based spray, which can damage the rubber. Now, of course, roll it up and down several times to spread the lubricant evenly, and if the squeaking continues, the regulator rollers or motor inside the door could be worn out, so you may need to call for a professional help for a replacement or repair. There you go. See ya.